What's going on YouTube? Turbo Dude here, and here comes my brand new PC build. I am building in a Corsair 760T. I know there is a newer version of this case out, guys, but Linus Tech Tips said this was superior to the latest model. See, I've got places to mount my water cooling equipment just in there, or you can have that panel on if you're not going to use that. It's magnetic, which is pretty cool. And if the focus decides to work, there's a few things on the front here. A couple of USB 2 and 3 ports, which is really nice. And now, for the rest of the case, it's a very nice full side panel. It's just, there are no words to how awesome that is. You won't be able to see very much inside there because it's kind of dark, but you get the idea of the amount of space that I'm going to have to play with. Comes with a fan at the back there and some white LED fans in the front here. Again, you won't quite be able to see them, but just in there there's a 140 and another 140, I believe, and those will be white and very nice. And here is the motherboard. I'm going for an Asus or a Zeus, depending on how you like to pronounce it. I'm pretty sure it's Asus, at least in Britain it is anyway. But this is the X99 motherboard that I've chosen to go for. There is a deluxe version, but I didn't really need any of the extra bells and whistles that came with, so I just got the standard one because it was cheaper. Onto the graphics card now. I've got a GeForce GTX 980, just one for now. I am planning to put two in an SLI when I can afford it, but need to get all this paid off first, so it's just the one for now, but hopefully that's going to be really good just on its own, and comes with some useful features like being able to capture with its own capture software, so that'll be interesting to play around with. I know Jack Frags likes to record a lot of his Battlefield gameplay with nvidia Shadow, so we'll have a look at how that is. And here is the RAM. Just gone for 16 gigabytes of 266 megahertz DDR4. The Vengeance low profile extreme, I think it's called, something like that. Anyway, that's going to be black, which will go with the case very nicely. Down here, I've got one SSD. I have another one of the exact same model, so I'm going to have a 240 gigabyte RAID 0 setup for Windows, which will be nice, very quick. Power supply, if anyone cares. That's this, the Cooler Master V1000, so that's 1000 watts, which is more than enough for what I need. And once I've got a second GPU in there, I won't need to upgrade to a larger power supply. And of course, I'm going to go back, because here is the CPU. I'm going to put a shadow on there just so you might be able to read it. Focus camera, come on. You can do it. There you go. So yeah, got one of the newfangled hex core 6-core CPUs. And of course, it is an i7 5820K, which is unlocked, which means yes, I am going to overclock the hell out of it. And it didn't come with a cooler though. That was the only weird thing. I thought they would come with a stock fan cooler. This didn't. Maybe they just forgot to send me it, or the packaging it came with was just the CPU on its own. I don't know, but I'm going to put a Corsair H100 in there anyway to cool that, and take advantage of the 6 cores and the 6 hyperthreading cores with a theoretical 12 cores, which should be pretty goddamn blistering for all the video editing work that I do. And the few games actually do take advantage of lots of cores like Arma 3 and whatnot. So yeah, I'm going to put all this together and this should be pretty interesting, guys.